August 2012. The train is leaving Las Vegas to Seattle, Washington, 5 a.m. to 9 a.m. this morning.
To get